Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So in today's video I am going to show you what our project will be like. So basically our project is Python background remover. So what Python background remover does is that you upload any image and the background gets removed. Basically what I'm trying to say is that this will be our project right here. This is also deployed on the EC2 instance, so it's not running locally on my device, it's deployed on Amazon servers. So in this series of videos from development to deployment, you will learn each and everything. So this is a Flask application, and as you can see here I can upload any image. So I will upload this man's image right here. Here you get a little preview of your input image. You can also select the dark mode from here as well, and now you enter the remove background button. Now it's processing and now the background is removed, as you can see here. You can download it using the transparent background, using the white background, as well as the black background and a colored background. So you can also select a color based on your choice. As I prefer a transparent background, so I will hit a download image, and as you can see here the image is downloaded with a removed background. So I will close this right here. So this will be our complete project. Also, if I show you the repositories right here, you can see the Docker file as well as the Docker Compose file and app.py for Flask, because this application is completely made in Flask, as you can see here, Flask as well as templates. Alright, you can also see here from GitHub Actions, CI/CD pipeline is also implemented in this project. So it's a complete all-in-one project where you will learn how to implement Flask applications, and you will also learn how you can deploy it on AWS as well as Docker and CI/CD workflows from GitHub. One more thing to notice is that I have made an architecture diagram, so I can give you a good overview of what our project will look like. So basically a user inputs an image here, and then the image gets processed, a background gets removed, and then the deployment part, Docker Compose, gets into functioning, deploys on CI/CD pipeline as well as the EC2 instance. For further demonstration, let me show you this another diagram that I created. So here user uploads the image, system previews the image processes begins, background removed, user downloads the image, Docker Compose manages workflow, CI/CD pipeline deploys as well as the image deployed to EC2. So from next video we are going on the complete implementation part. See you in the next video.